This is the north-south railway line from Katowice to Gdynia. The railway line which could have actually brought people to where I am now, which is very close to the Chelmno death camp. Only that this line here, the normal gauge line, didn't actually touch onto the narrow gauge railway line until it got to Koło. Now Koło from here is only about 15 kilometers by road, but by rail it's about 60 kilometers, which is a very long way of going about things. Between the wide gauge railway line where I am now and the narrow gauge line, which was eliminated in the early 60s, it's about 2 kilometers. And what I don't really understand is why the Germans, the Nazis, didn't actually take the victims from this wide gauge railway line to the camp, but I'm going to try and find out now why. This is the railway station at Dąbie, which is some distance from the railway station, the small one. This is the main line, and it's, in all honesty, quite a long way from the town. The question is why. Well, I suppose the answer is because this is where the main line is. Which is quite typical in places like Italy, for example. The railway line which served the town went from Koło, was a narrow gauge railway line which was lifted in the early 60s. Now we have a coal train stuck here in the station. But so the train is based in Gdynia.